Hello everybody, I'm going to reverse into a very tight space. I want you to watch this. Because this is when you come to Manchester, this is what you will find. It's very tight places. Look at that. Look at where he is stopping. Stay there, mate. Stay there. Let me go. Yeah, being a lorry driver, it's not easy sometimes. Sometimes you... Oh, look at the trailer. It's going really tough. It's moving because it's too heavy. I'm carrying timber. Let's see if I could reverse or... I don't think I could reverse. Because there are some cars there, it's very hard. Yeah, it's very hard to reverse. Look at them. This is terrible. He said come after an hour, and now it's an hour past, but it's very busy. I have to go and ask. You see where I stopped? I left a little bit gap here, gap on the back. If there is another truck coming, it's very hard. I don't know what to do. I have to go around, keep going around. Anyway guys, you know, when you come to Manchester, this is what you expect. Very terrible place to tip your load, because it's always busy. Cars this way, cars this way, and you have to wait, and they say come back again after an hour, after 2 hours. You see, look, I'm stopping in the middle of the road, which is wrong, but there is nothing I can do. I have to go and ask him what are we going to do. Anyway, just keep watching. I will do a reverse here later on. Thank you.